Hi cat owners, today with me I have this collapsible cat litter box set of 2. I got it on Amazon and it has that Christmas theme that I absolutely adore. So whether it's Christmas or whether you like to travel with your cat, you're definitely going to want one of these. So look at how small these are. They can fit in your purse easily or a suitcase, and they measure 7.9 inches by 5.9 inches, making it the perfect size to take with you anywhere. But once you open it up, you're going to be super surprised by the size. So you have the button clasp right here in the front, so go ahead and remove that and you can start opening the box up. Now it's super easy to set up. All you got to do is press all the edges and push the high quality fabric material that is lined all the way around, which I absolutely adore, down, and it's ready to go. Now the box measures a total of 15 by 11 inches and it's 5 inches tall, which means that not a lot of the litter is going to be coming out of the box, especially since it's taller, which I adore. I really love this design and I think it's a perfect way to make it to your next destination without having to worry about taking a real litter box that might take up so much space. And now if you're not going to use both, you can totally use this for storage if you would like. Just add in any other items that you might need for your cat on the go. Add in their food, their water, for example, while you're traveling. It is such a multi-purpose and easy to use device. I absolutely adore it. I definitely recommend cat owners out there to get this on Amazon. Great product.